In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out if someone hid their Instagram story from you. That is quite simple and easy to know, so let's begin. And let's say I wish to check that person if he hide their story from me. I can hit on the profile icon and now I see that he don't. But if let's say that person hide their story from me, there is one simple way how to check if that's really is. So all you have to do is basically change your Instagram account. I have logged into two accounts, so I can just double tap on their profile icon to switch between account, and there I need to open up this same person's page and check if it's if their story available to see. To be able to add a new account here, all you have to do is hold down on your profile page, then release your finger and here hit on add account, and now you can create new account or add existing account. So now you would be able to simply check if someone hide their story from you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.